Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to your external wallet. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo application on your phone, and then you have to click on your profile icon, which is just on the bottom right corner. Here you will see your Venmo balance and your crypto balance. You have to click view on your crypto balance. From here you will see two options, which is buy and sell. As you can see, I have Litecoin, but you can do the same process for Bitcoin also. The process is exactly the same. You have to click on your coin, in your case which is Bitcoin, in my case it is Litecoin. A new page will open. Here I will see three options: buy, sell, and there is a directional arrow right and left. You have to click on these arrows. A pop-up window will appear which will show you two options: send and receive. You have to click on send, and then a new page will open with a search bar where you can type in the name, the username, or your external wallet address. In my case, I want to send to my external wallet, so I will type in my Litecoin address on the search bar. And you have to double check or maybe triple check the address that you want to send your Venmo money, because a single digit can mess up and send your money which can't be recoverable. On the next page you have to type in the amount that you want to send from your Venmo to your external wallet. After typing your amount, you have to click on the review transfer, and then on the final step you have to verify and double check what you are sending, the network fee, the estimated delivery, and your total. And then finally tap on send Litecoin, and you have successfully transferred your Bitcoin or any coin from your Venmo to your external wallet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.